On then, SBI is on track to reach 1 lakh crore in operating profit this year, and that's the word coming in from the chairman of India's largest bank in an exclusive conversation. CS Setty also spoke on credit growth expectations for the current fiscal. In fact, let's go across and listen in to a slice of this conversation that he had with ET Now's Ankur Mishra.
Our medium-term goal is that whether we can become 1 trillion rupee net profit company in the country, the first company to do so. We are aspirational about that. Operating profit is run rate indicates that we should be able to reach that operating profit level of 1 trillion rupees this year. The macros are playing well, and credit growth is coming out across the segments, and our efforts to mobilize the deposits has paid dividend in Q2. We have registered good growth. So and we were able to contain the cost of deposits also, which means that we are probably heading towards 1 trillion rupee operating profit.
Your credit growth is around 15%. It is towards the higher end of what you have projected earlier. But one of the things which caught my attention was your corporate loan book. What is happening here? Which are the sectors where this credit growth is happening?
There are several sectors the growth is happening in terms of, petrochemicals is one area which we have grown significantly. We have also grown in the road sector. The road sector has been a mainstay of infra financing. Some of the road sectors are essentially the new roads which are coming in, as well as the completed road projects moving into the InvIT. At the InvIT level financing also we have done significantly higher, which is basically a cash flow based lending, takeout financing for the project financing. And we see a good number of projects coming in the solar space, I think renewable space, whether it is solar, wind or hybrid. We are witnessing a good growth in that area also.
So if you talk about guidance, that is intact at 14 to 16%, more towards 16% than 14?
16%, somewhere in the median. I think 15% seems to be more reasonable estimate as our base increases. We have now currently 39 lakh crores at that, and 15% growth rate on the domestic book seems to be a feasible option.
Right, and also deposits have grown over 9%. What are you aiming here? Do you think that with this kind of base, a double-digit growth is possible this year?
Double-digit growth is something what we are aiming for. While we already have achieved double-digit growth in the term deposits, which are almost 25 to 26 lakh crores. On that basis, we are able to grow at double-digit. 12% is growth rate what we have achieved in the retail term deposit.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.